So Rob, Hyfore were going to be at the NEC in April this year at the MACH show. You were going to be showing quite a lot there. In fact, you had one of your biggest stands that the company had ever taken. Before we touch on what else was on the stand, I want to talk to you about the Ultrasonic tool holders. That was something new you were going to be showing. Can you maybe explain what they are and where they fit?
Yeah, thanks for having me, Paul. Yes, so the Ultrasonic holder was a new thing we were going to be showcasing in the UK. It's from our partner Acro, and they've been promoting it quite a lot in Taiwan, and they're having quite a lot of success with it. So we were looking to bring it to the UK. So effectively, it will go on to a VMC, kind of as what you would do as an angle head, a live tool holder. But it works with a generator off the side of the machine. So it gets its kilowatts from the generator, and that then drives the effectively like the Z axis, so you get more hits from it.
I mean, it's almost like a peening motion, isn't it? And it's like a high speed for harder materials.
That's right, Paul. Yeah, it's aimed quite a lot at the harder materials, and they go down right to like small holes, down to 0.05 of a mil. For example, I know they've done one recently on Increno 718, and they've done 56 holes in about 2.5 minutes. So you know they're doing some impressive stuff with it. But yeah, you're right. It's done off that way. Does
it matter what machine it goes on, Rob?
It doesn't, Paul, no, because we will change the back end according to the customer's requirement, being BT 30, 40 and HSK as well.
And is there any sort of M code function that operates it, or is that done by a separate control box?
It will be done via the from your program in the machine. So the generator is just what moves the tool going up and down to move it. So there's no additional control box as such. The generator is just to get the the speed off the actual holder.
And would you be able to tell us what is a perfect application? Maybe a tool maker. Who do you think? Who would you be aiming this at? Hyfore. Who would you have been showing this to at MACH?
There's quite a few industries that it goes towards. They've done quite a bit successfully with the aerospace market, and they've done quite a bit also with the medical. There's been even one customer as well that have used it for polishing at the end of their production, and they've saved time that way, where they don't have to take it off a machine and polish it. So not just the drilling, we have had some success that way as well.
Good stuff. Now, I mentioned it as we opened this, you had your biggest stand at MACH this year in 2020. What else were you showing, and why go so big, Rob?
Well, we wanted to go bigger because we wanted to showcase our partners' products a lot more. So we're actually bringing over from Mideco from America a pallet changer. From Cosmic, which is a Japanese company, we were bringing over a robot showcasing the full range of the Cosmic items, and that goes from the standard kind of pneumatic hydraulic clamps to the robot grippers, quick change grippers, 0 points, and a lot of the stuff for the tool and die market, where we're seeing a lot more interest in. Bar feed too, yeah, and then we're going to have our other products on there as well, from the likes of Hardinge, the range of their products, pushing a lot more to do with the quick change systems, chucks as well from Buck, and we're going to have some chucks on there from Forkart, and then we've got the Spritzer range also from Germany, where we've got a whole range of devices, vacuum clamping, concentricity gauges, a lot more on that, and Matrix as well, the pin drawers, which you're familiar with. And now they've brought out recently a new one where you can have the pin jaws on robots. So they've started to develop on that side as well. So the main point in the stand was to showcase it a lot more, because obviously you can see it on a brochure, but when you actually see the product and the product range, there's a lot that Hyfore can offer to suit most customers' requirements.
That's really good, Rob. What I'd like to probably finish this on, if maybe you've got an online portal, haven't you, where people can see a lot of your products and even purchase them, I believe. Maybe you could just tell our viewers where to find that.
Yeah, so the web address is hyfore.shop, and on there you'll have all the products, the current pricing, and you've got links then to the technical data and videos on the products.
Good stuff. Thank you for joining us today, Rob. Enjoy the sunshine.
No problem, Paul. Yeah, thank you. Cheers, Paul, and you.